Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Angie Styles Kitchen. So today we are going to be cooking oha soup using Achi as the thickener. Yes, so I already have oha soup recipe on this page or channel where I use ede, also known as cocoyam or taro root, as the thickener. So you can also make the soup with any other thickener of your choice. Today I choose to make it with Achi. Let me show you how I made this delicious soup. Yum yum. Let's get cooking. So to make this, we start by cooking our meat first. Here I'm using assorted meat for this recipe. You can use any meat or any protein of your choice. So this meat is well cooked, it's fully cooked. So I'm going to be adding more water to it, enough to cook the soup. Then after that, I will go in with some stock fish, followed by some smoked catfish, thoroughly washed. Please remember to wash your fishes, both the stock fish and the smoked fish. Then I went in with some ground crayfish, some ground shrimp, some ground fish. This is dried bonga fish, ground. Because of the bone, I prefer to grind it. Then next I added some a tablespoon of Cameroon pepper. It's optional. If you don't like too much pepper, you can skip that. Then followed by some crunch pepper. Then I added some seasoning cube. So next I'll be adding palm oil. I am using palm oil in this recipe. You can also use banga, burako, palm fruits if you have that one. Here I'm making Diaspora style. This is what we have here. So I'm going to give it a little stir and cover it and bring this to a boil. Once it starts boiling like so, I'm going to go in now with ogiri igbo. Yeah, this is ogiri igbo, also known as fermented castor seed. Then next I will be adding the ground Achi. So this is the ground Achi, which is the thickener we are going to be using for this recipe today. So I'm going to give it a good stir to avoid lumps. Yeah, if you don't want it to form lumps, once you add it, stir it immediately. Okay, stir it properly. Then next I added some ground chili pepper. Yeah, green chili pepper, you know. Remember, if you don't like your soup hot, if you don't like pepper, you can skip. Me, I like it spicy. We like it spicy in our house. So I added a tablespoon of ground oziza seed. Then give it a good stir. I'm going to cover this and allow it to boil for a few minutes. Okay, so this soup has been cooking for a few minutes. So after that, we'll be adding some oziza leaves. I am using frozen oziza leaf here. That's what I can find in this country. It still gives you the same flavor. What we are looking for is that flavor, for it to release that flavor, you know, that aroma that comes with it. Then after that, I will be adding some oha. I'll be adding the oha leaf. I am also using frozen oha in this recipe. If you have fresh oha, whoo, congratulations and good luck. So I miss fresh oha, seriously. So I added more seasoning cube. Then I'm going to give it a little stir so that all the ingredients will mix properly. So stir it and cover it to cook for a few minutes. And after a few minutes, this soup is ready. Yeah, so stir it and it's ready to be served. You can serve this soup with any swallow of your choice, but it goes very well with fufu, akpu. It goes well with akpu. So here I served it with some akpu, which is water fufu. I'm going to show you video on how I made this water fufu. I've been craving for this akpu, like cassava fufu, for a long time, and finally I found it and I made it. I'm so happy. This soup tastes so delicious, my dear. Try it and let me know how the outcome, okay? Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.